one of our national hero is said that those who don't love their country is similar to the smell of the fish. So that's the stinky fish. Stinky fish, they say. So it's like a metaphor. If you don't love your countries, meaning you despise or you hate your own country. So I know everyone loves their country, especially Czechos. I know that. Thank you. So the next song will explain by Brave. Hello everyone. So the next song is called Paraiso. It means paradise, which not only resonates the beauty of our homeland, but also highlights the struggles and dreams of many, especially us, the migrant workers.
Paraiso, those things allows them to enjoy the smoke that swings the air, the grass that's everywhere.
If I could see a single bird, what a joy I try to write some words and create a simple song to be heard by the rest of the world.
I leave this land for Paraiso.
Wala kang pinito sa ano, hindi na mabalik sa dati.
I learned to be free, Paraiso. Everything I see, much less from it goes, the less that's what it goes.
And if empty cans were all I have, what a joy I never fight to take someone else's voice and live it here like the rest of the boys. Paraiso, help me make a stand. Paraiso, take me by the hand. Paraiso, make the world understand that if I could see a single bird, what a joy the sun and hungry land could expect. Some truth and hope and respect from the rest. Paraiso,
Help me make a stand.
Paraiso,
Take me by the hand.
Paraiso,
Make the world understand
that if I could see a single bird, what a joy this time and hungry land could expect. Some truth and hope and respect from the rest of the
May okay na, nawalan pa.